Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at how we can simply and easily fix some smelling drains in a kitchen. So having a quick look in the sink, we can see there's actually a little bit of muck and build up in the waste pipes. So why don't we get the waste pipes off and have a quick look at the collection of muck that's probably sitting in this trap under the sink, and let's get that all cleaned out and see if we can easily fix this issue. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to get absolutely everything out of the cupboard, because when we undo this pipe work, it's probably going to release a bit of water underneath the cupboard. So let's get everything out and then we'll get into it. Now it's probably a good idea to have a couple of small buckets here so we can catch any water as it comes out. Alright folks, so I've just got this PVC plastic drain outside as quickly as possible. Just have a look in there. It is absolutely putrid. Now, this is going to be a really easy and quick fix to this problem. No need to get a plumber out, folks. So we'll just give it a good old clean right now. Alright folks, so what I've done is I've brought this PVC, which is really manky, and I've filled up the laundry trough with hot water, as you can see. And look at the muck that is just coming out of this. I've added into the laundry trough just whatever I could find lying around the house. So a bit of handy 2-in-1 disinfector and cleaner. Perhaps it should be called Handy Drew. And yeah, just look at the muck which is coming out of this already. Just chunks of build up. It's absolutely putrid. So I'm just going to let that soak for a while. Then we might pull it apart a bit further and see if we can get a brush into there and just get it fully cleaned out. So I've just pulled it apart a bit further and I just wanted to show you how much muck. I mean, that should all be white. And look at the black sludge that's just coming out. So I'm just going to keep letting that soak. But this is even better. Look at this one. And look at the chunks. Look at the absolute chunks that are coming out of this one. So, look, yeah. Just don't let them get this bad, folks. That is just gross. Look at that. I don't even really want to touch it. Look, there's just chunks of it coming out. Look at that. As you saw, I threw some big chunks actually in the bin outside. But just look at this water, folks. Look at the chunks of rubbish, of crud that have come out of these pipes. No wonder it stank. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to drain this water out. I'm going to put fresh hot water in with some more fresh handy. We'll let it soak for maybe half an hour and then we'll get in, we'll give it a thorough scrub. Alright, so I've been letting that soak in the second batch of water for a while. I've gone and grabbed a toilet brush. Let's get into this with the toilet brush. Oh wow, look at the difference straight away. Alright, so I've just finished giving those pipes a soak and clean again. Have a look at them. They are 1000% better than what they were before. So now it's just a matter of working out, since I ended up disassembling everything, how they go back together. Alright, so I suggest people pay attention when you pull these pipes apart. I did take a good look at it when I pulled my pipes apart here, so I think I'll be pretty right. And remember to put the rubber seals back in where you've taken the seals out. All right, so let's go and get this fitted back into the sink. So there we go, we've got our clean PVC pipes and clean trap reinstalled. So the next thing to do is just to give it a test. We'll run some water and we'll see if we get any leaks. Check both sides, so move over to the left side now. Absolutely fine, no leaks. So there you go folks, that's a simple and easy way to fix those smelling kitchen drains. If you've liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, have a good evening.